Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. Welcome to my channel. Well, this is the think part for now. I've been doing this for the last 2-3 days. Yesterday was primer. As you can see now, I've done the primer and smoothed it a bit for the primer so that it is playing smoothly for the new paint. So I covered it off all these holes, bottom brackets. Now the plan is I have to paint it today with the color. Now I have the Montana Gold acrylic, green, red, and I got the primer, so I'm finished with it. And I want to do is a crackle effect for this, but I'm not gonna do it with the white. I'm gonna do it with the black color crackle effect, and the color will come out later on once I painted it white or black. So let's see. So, and also I'm gonna add the yellow, and the one I chose is Montana Marble. It's like white from the top. What my plan is, color is white here and yellow on the back, green from this side, from the bottom bracket, and then here is red to here, then from here is blue. I got my blue. I just bought it today because I'm missing blue. I got the blue, but it's not the same. It's empty now. So what I have now is, sorry, just went to the shop today, and this is, they call it flame blue. Exciting. So you ready for me? I got this. So ready to paint. Blue here, a little bit blue here, and blue from this fork. That's all, two colors on the fork. White here, blue here. But after I finish painting all this, I'm gonna cover with a crackle effect, which is kind of, well, I like this. I haven't done this before, but I've saw some videos. It's nice. Yeah, it's look like an old paint that's been cracked. There you go. Let's go down and I'll show you.